meters over second squared. Okay, so now I'm going to change my division sign from being like that slash, right, to look like that, because that's going to help me to see what cancels out. Whenever it's diagonal, sometimes it can be a little difficult to tell what cancels out. So I got 2 second squared, and that is being multiplied by 2 meters over second squared. Excuse me. All right. So now I can go ahead and see if anything cancels here. All right. First, I'm going to do my numbers, and then I'm going to do my units. Okay. So when I multiply my numbers, I get 2 times 2. All right. They're both in the numerator. So nothing cancels out. Right. So that is in the numerator. That is in the numerator. So I get 4. All right. Now I got to look at my units. My units are a little different. So this is in the numerator, right? Because if it was in the denominator, it would have to be underneath a division sign. It's not underneath a division sign. So it's in the numerator. So that's second squared in the numerator being multiplied by m in the numerator, second squared in the denominator. So my m joins this second square up top, and then this second square stays in the denominator. Okay? Sweet. So now I can cancel some things out. I've got second squared in the numerator and denominator, so those can get canceled out. And I'm left with 4 meters, right? Because that m is in the numerator, times 4 meters per second squared. Okay? Now again, I'm dealing with a division sign that's diagonal. I'm going to switch it to just be one of these flat horizontal ones, because it helps me see more clearly what cancels out and everything like that. So 4 meters over second squared, all right? And that is being multiplied by 4 meters, all right? Now, when I look at this problem, I got to do my numbers first, and then I got to do my units. Again, you can't automatically say that these numbers cancel out. First of all, identify what is in the numerator and what is in the denominator, okay? This 4 is in the numerator because it's not underneath a division sign. This 4 is in the numerator because it's not underneath a division sign. So they cannot cancel each other out because they're both in the numerator. In order to have anything cancel out, one has to be in the numerator, one has to be in the denominator, okay? So 4 times 4 is 16. Both in the numerator. Now this m is in the numerator. This s squared is in the denominator. So that's m in the numerator, s squared in the denominator. Okay. And now this m is not underneath a division sign. So that means it's in the numerator. So this m is going to join this other m in the numerator. Okay. So that means my final answer is going to be 16. Now I got meters times meters, which is meters squared, over s squared, second squared. So that's going to be my final answer. All right. So remember, use the keep, change, flip rule. And whatever you do to your numbers, you have to do to your units as well. All right. Thanks, and have a good one.